How to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. Hi everybody. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. So to fix the missing Gmail verification code, you would always check for your spam folder. So what you need is open up your Gmail first of all, and after which tap the tab bar icon from the top right. You could check on these three options, that is spam, trash, or you could just go to all mail. When you do it so, you might be able to locate it there. However, if you cannot find it in these three folder, then you also want to make sure that the email address you provided is correct. There is no typo error or no mistakes. And likewise, you might also have to filter setup that's sending the verification code to trash. Now, if you've tried it a couple of times and it might come to a notice that the suspicious act as of a suspicious activity, which is why you might not be receiving. So you might have to wait for 28 to 48 hours, and only then you might be able to receive the verification code as well. Other than that, you also want to make sure that your phone isn't blocking message from unknown sender or shortcode, and you also need to disable spam filter or blocking app on your device or carrier as well. So these are a couple of things you could try in order to fix Gmail not receiving verification code. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.